The Maserati Granturismo is a purebred Italian sports car, a 4-passenger luxury performance couple, and the most loved car. But why? Today we are here to share interesting information about Maserati Granturismo and tell why this car is such a beast. We would love to ask you one thing. Give this Maserati a rating from 1 to 10 in the comments if you watched the video. Would be nice to see your comments. But before diving into the topic straight away, hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and intriguing videos. The MC Stradale has a racing cousin in the form of the MC Trofeo, from which a whole bunch of special bits see that invented carbon fiber bonnet. It's just like the one in the race car, the vents on the rear bumper and the exhaust placement. Yup, all very similar to what you'll find at the back of the racer, and those beastie carbon paddle shifters, you get the idea. In short, it's a blast to drive this beast. Here is a list of great features of this gorgeous Grand Tourer that will amaze you. Number 7. Potent engine. Surely, a potent engine is a matter of interest when buying a car. If you want an awesome engine, then this car is for you. Some qualities make this beast one of the best, such as an incredibly powerful engine that seems to top all the qualities. The Grand Tourer is powered by the F136, a 4.7-liter V8 engine jointly built by Ferrari and Maserati. The lightweight and compact engine are featured in all Granturismo models, and it has output as great as 460 horsepower at 7,000 RPM and 384 pound-per-feet at 7,500 RPM. This exotic engine sends power to the wheels through a ZF 6-speed MC Auto Shift gearbox. Number 6. Outstanding power. Produced in various configurations for Maserati, Ferrari, and Alfa Romeo 8C, the 4.7-liter engine powering the Granturismo enables the car to deliver quite an amazing performance with the help of the ZF 6-speed MC Auto Shift gearbox. So, courtesy of the powertrain, the Granturismo Sport and MC are capable of an incredible acceleration from rest to 62 miles per hour in 4.8 and 4.7 seconds respectively, while also achieving a max speed of 186 miles per hour and 187 miles per hour in the two models. Number 5. Thrilling drive modes and impressive driving dynamics. Regulated via engine control unit, the drive mode of this car is a high-tech setup used to control the car's focal constituents like suspension, engine, transmission, braking, and even the steering. It affords Granturismo owners a great range of driving style options and helps deliver a smooth and dynamic transition. It is quite appealing for other reasons, such as great driving dynamics. The legendary Maserati has a near-perfect front-to-rear weight distribution with a slight predisposition to the rear. Number 4. Revamped infotainment and premium sound system. Are you fond of infotainment and a good sound system while driving? If so, this car is surely for you. A great infotainment system was redesigned and developed for all Granturismo models, featuring a high-resolution 8.4-inch Maserati Touch Control Plus unit, enabling simple and crisp intuitive control of navigation, audio, and comfort functions. Plus, it's compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which can be operated via the central rotary controller, touchscreen, or Siri voice command. Also, Maserati Granturismo produces an orgasmic sound depending on your level of automotive geekiness. Its sound system is better inside the car through a unique premium sound system. Number 3. The MSP. MSP is Maserati Stability Program, and it's simply an electronic stability control system programmed into Maserati cars to enable them to achieve stability when turned or driven on rather slippery roads. Remarkably, it's deployed in Maserati Granturismo. This system uses several sensors to regularly observe driving status to ensure safety and program systems for proper handling and grip. The MSP is engaged when a skid is detected, decreasing engine torque while activating the brakes. Number 2. Heightened safety. Are you concerned about your safety? If so, then Maserati Granturismo is a safe car to drive. This is another reason this car is extremely alluring. The Granturismo features many amazing safety features, including side impact beams, dual-stage driver and passenger seat-mounted side airbags, and driver and passenger side airbag head extension. Also, the awesome Grand Tourer provides you with electronic stability control, ABS, and driveline traction control. Besides, the car is fitted with front and rear parking sensors for safe parking, which is another great feature. Number 1. EPA Rating. Notably, the EPA rating of this car is 13 miles per gallon for the city, 21 for highway, and a combined rating of 16 miles per gallon on premium gasoline while averaging 6.2 gallons in 100 miles. The Granturismo is a gas guzzler that will surely eat a hole in the owner's pocket. So, what do you guys think about this video? Please give this car a mark from 0 to 10 in the comment section and let us know, is Maserati Granturismo worth buying? This was it about Maserati. I hope we could give you a lot of information. Stay tuned as we will come up with many new and exciting videos. Till then, goodbye.